So this week's episode is on our renovations of our house that we just sold to finance our new catamaran.
What are you doing with your feet there?
Nervous.
Happy feet?
Happy feet. That's it.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old.
Yeah, I think most of this wall's going to fall down. That one's not. Yeah, none. Only once you get past that line. I wonder if there's a join there as well.
This is how not to grout. You don't put 5 little dollops on the back of the tile.
Yeah, this whole section of wall is loose. The whole lot's going to try and cover all at once and break the tiles.
We got more tiles.
Yeah, no. Are they actually the same?
Yeah.
They're definitely the same
Yeah.
Johnson's ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's pretty firm from there. These ones aren't. Like I said, those ones aren't. Did you get that on film?
Did.
Well done. Yeah, and I caught them too.
That's gonna
Yeah, you can see the join here. That's where they.
That is the classic problem where they've joined the cement sheet. You always want a half and half tile over that. For people renovating their own houses, that is a rookie mistake.
Like this, Jay, where your nail is poking out
Yeah.
and pushing on the back of your
Screws.
tile.
Screws, people, don't use nails. And definitely don't dollop your glue.
The rest, I think, will stay.
Alright. Well, we'll leave it for tonight, and there will be no showering in here.
What? I was going to have a shower.
Yeah, no. You can either stick it straight to the wall on a big area. If you're only doing a few tiles, just apply it straight to the tile. You get good at it after a while, get a bit on the floor, get everywhere else, it chips off pretty easy. Important thing is to make sure you get the corners done, because that's where you'll end up with cracks later on. Nice and even. If it's too dry, it'll be hard to spread. If it's too wet, your tiles will slide off. Alright, stick him on. Couple of these corner things. Alright, so we've just used the spaces hanging out. And then space the sides just by eye. Ideally, you'd have a couple of spaces in the bottom, but the gap's too big. We'll fill that up with silicone later on.
Make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Stripping down the middle. Stripping down the middle. Stripping down the middle. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. I keep on holding things within me. I keep it deep inside myself. I
I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers, feel like we're far apart. I'm stripping down nude. I'm stripping down nude. I'm stripping down nude. This is not what we should be. Not to get the best of me. This is how we should be. Not to get the best of me. Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel a burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down, all delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. One of those lucid dreams.
Coming up next week on Sailing Pacificae.
They've just found out that they're shutting the borders to Queensland where we're trying to get you to get our boat. We were going to leave on the 10th, but now we have to run away as quick as possible. So the family is madly packing. It's 20 to 10. Cat doesn't really care. Yeah, we're madly packing, trying to get going as quick as we can.
If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.